Acumatica is a modern, easy-to-use cloud ERP system for manufacturers in many industries using discrete or batch processes. In this video, see how Acme Cabinet Company, a typical manufacturing company, starts their new growth strategy. Acme makes stock and custom cabinets, but they're missing out on the quick ship market when customers need minor changes. This year, they're adding a product configurator to target this new business. Our journey starts when a customer settles on the finishes for their powder room remodel. Unfortunately, they want their new vanity yesterday. Actually, they do need it the day after tomorrow. Sales reviews the customer's needs in CRM, and they configure the trim, finish, and hardware for a previously built standard model. Inventory management resolves allocations and substitutions on brand new, popular hinges and updates the bills of material and routings. The plant is busy, but the advanced planning and scheduling system schedules the order for second shift. The contractor calls first thing in the morning. They want to pick up the vanity in the afternoon. Customer service checks with the foreman, and he confirms that the vanity was built, finished, and boxed for shipment last night on his tablet. The warehouse management system moves the vanity to a will call location. The contractor installs the vanity, but they call with a problem. They accidentally damaged it. Acme's field tech receives the service order on her mobile device, including a photo of the damage. After she makes the repair and matches the finish on site, she can enter the repair time and materials as well. The homeowner and contractor are happy, but the GM wants to know if they made any money. Accounting reviews the actual costs, and they beat their regular margins. Acumatica runs on PCs, phones, and tablets, anywhere at any time. Plus, you pay for the resources you use, not the number of users. See our other product demos for more information and contact us to review your business needs.